Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gartic, a super fun online drawing and guessing game. First, head to the Gartic website. You can easily join an existing public room or create a private one to play exclusively with your friends. Before you jump in, make sure to enter a unique nickname. Remember, you'll need at least 2 players to kick off a game, so invite some pals for maximum enjoyment. Once the game begins, if it's your turn, you'll be given a secret word to draw. You'll have a set amount of time, typically around 90 seconds, to bring your word to life on the canvas. Utilize the various drawing tools available, including different brush sizes, a wide palette of colors, and an eraser for corrections. The goal is to create a drawing that's clear and recognizable, helping your fellow players guess correctly. When someone else is drawing, your job is to guess what they are illustrating. Simply type your guesses into the chat box. The quicker you guess correctly, the more points you'll earn, so pay close attention to the evolving artwork. The game might even give you hints for partial correct guesses. Remember, you can't guess your own drawing, so focus on deciphering others' creations to rack up those points. Points are awarded in 2 main ways: for successfully drawing a word that others guess, and for correctly guessing what another player has drawn. The game usually progresses through several rounds, ensuring everyone gets a chance to draw at least once. At the conclusion of all rounds, the player who has accumulated the highest total score will be crowned the winner. It's all about creativity and quick thinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.